Good afternoon and welcome back to the channel. Today we are changing the front brakes on a 2019 Honda Santa Fe. Watch for step-by-step directions. Thank you. Hope you enjoy the video. So we have the Duralast Gold ceramic brakes. Pretty good. Quiet stopping, low dust, clean wheels. The hardware is included and we got the brake lubricant. Everything we need. So the tools you will need is a 3/8 ratchet with a 9/16 the driver's side. The wheel is ready to come off and we're ready to pop the brake pads off and put the new pads on. Got these loosened up. Now we're just gonna take the lug nuts off. I already took all the lug nuts off. So we got the tire off. Now the other two bolts you're going to want to take off are right here and right there. Two bolts, you don't have to do anything else. You don't have to disconnect the brake lines or nothing. You take those off, you press the brake pads in with a C-clamp, you put the new pads in and you're ready to go. Take those same bolts off that we did on the other side. Kind of give it a little smack a little bit. And then you go down here. And just like that, you wiggle it off. You put this up here so she does not break. You do not want this line right here to get jeopardized in any way. If it pinches brakes, you have to buy a whole new line and bleed the brakes. And let me tell you, that's never fun. Now we're going to pop these brakes out. You just kind of go easy with it. Don't want to damage nothing. Boom, comes right out. Look at that. There's nothing left of that brake pad. Do the same thing with this one. There's a little bit on this one. Yeah, you got some brake pad on that one, just not a whole bunch. Now this, you want to make sure the curve right here goes with this curve. That is very crucial. Boom. See how it perfectly lines up right here? That's what you wanted to do. It took a little bit to get that one in there. And you kind of see these pieces go to the outside. Just like this. And you'll know if it's not right because she's not going to slip in if it's not right. Boom. There you go. And now we're going to do a C-clamp and C-clamp this brake caliper so you can see how we do that. So this is how I have this. It's right above the brake line, so it's not on it. And then it's right up here, directly on the caliper, where you push it in. You will watch the caliper get smaller and smaller inside. And as you can see, it's pushed all the way in. So now what you do, you just loosen this up and take it right off. It's pushed in and it should slide right on. Put it right on there. Put it on here and loosen that up. You do the same thing with the bottom. Kind of give it a little nudge. There you go, we're loose. And just like that, we're off. You can tell that their brake pads are no brake pads. None at all. We got the new ones in. We didn't have to take this off. We were able to just slide those right on. Boom, goes just like that. This rotor, however, she's going to have to get a new rotor. We press this in, and then watch how it goes. It just takes it, and you slide it right back on. You take this, and you screw it in there. Remember, when putting these lug nuts back on, you want to do the start pattern. Start up top, then you go to the bottom, and you can kind of see it straightening that wheel out as you screw it on. And I'm putting it on there hand tight for right now. And then you do this one, and this one. And now we're going to clean this beauty up. And then we're going to finish painting the back. Take her to the shop. Get her fixed. And start driving her because I officially own it. Waiting on the title to get transferred from Florida to Missouri. You can tell I already painted the hood. But I need to put a clear coat on it. And then it would look better. It's darker, but it's a chameleon red. And she's pretty clean, guys. I mean, I'm very surprised how clean she came. And look, I did all the body work on here myself. Just got to do a little sanding, and then I can paint it. Look how shiny that red is, though. Now that this is kind of washed, it looks a lot better. There's actually 4 different kind of reds in there. You can see a bright red here. And then you kind of see like a darker maroonish, purplish red. But once they put the clear coat on it, it'll blend it all. Thank you for watching the video, and hope you guys enjoyed and hope you learned something. Have a great day, and come back to the channel when you need to learn some more. Thank you guys. Thanks for the support.